This is Noah. It is his lunch break, and he only has 30 minutes. He is holding a prescription. He needs to pick up his medicine before he goes back to work. Noah gives his prescription to the pharmacist. "Hi, I'm here to pick up my medicine," he says. The pharmacist smiles and takes the paper. "It will be about 10 minutes, the pharmacist says. 10 minutes. Noah looks at his watch. He decides to wait and look around the store. While he waits, Noah looks at the over-the-counter medicine. He has a small headache today. Maybe he should buy something for it. He picks up a box and reads the dosage. 2 pills every 6 hours, he says quietly. Or is it 2 pills every 4 hours? The small words are hard to read. Nearby, Noah hears another pharmacist talking to a customer. This medicine can cause side effects, she explains. You might feel tired. Noah listens carefully. Have you ever been confused reading medicine instructions? Tell us in the comments. And if you like stories like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Noah, the pharmacist calls. Noah steps forward, but so does an elderly man standing nearby. They look at each other and laugh. That's funny, the old man says. We have the same name. The pharmacist looks a little busy today. She quickly hands a white bag to Noah, and another white bag to the older man. Here you go, she says, already looking at the next customer. Near the door, Noah looks at his receipt. It says refill, but the medicine name is strange. He doesn't remember taking this medicine before. Wait, he says slowly. This isn't mine. Noah checks his watch. Only 15 minutes left. He hurries back to the counter, the wrong bag still in his hand. Excuse me, Noah says. Could you check again? I think this is the wrong bag. This isn't my medicine. The pharmacist checks her computer. Oh no, she says. There were 2 Noahs here today. I think I gave you the wrong bags by mistake. She searches the shelf behind the counter. But there is no other bag with Noah's name. I'm sorry, she says. The other Noah must have already left. What would you do if a pharmacy gave you someone else's medicine? Tell us your idea in the comments. Then Noah remembers. The older man was standing right next to him at the counter. And he was walking toward the parking lot, not the front door. Thank you, I'll be right back. Noah says, already running for the door. He hurries out toward the parking lot. There he is. The older man is standing by his car, about to leave, holding a white bag. Noah runs toward him, waving. Excuse me. Noah says, breathing hard. I think we have each other's bags. Oh, the old man says at the exact same moment. You're right. They both laugh. They swap bags right there in the parking lot. 2 Noahs, same pharmacy, same day, the old man laughs. What are the chances? Back inside, the pharmacist checks his bag carefully. This is the correct dosage, she says. 2 pills, once a day, with food. Now it is clear. Thank you so much, Noah says. Next time, the pharmacist smiles, you can set up an automatic refill online. It's much faster. Great idea, Noah says. Now Noah has a new problem, time. He checks his watch and hurries back toward his office as fast as he can. He makes it back just in time, with 2 minutes to spare. That was close, Noah says, laughing and out of breath. Let's check what you remember. Question 1. Why did Noah go to the pharmacy? To pick up his prescription. Question 2. What was wrong with the first bag he got? It had the wrong medicine inside. Question 3. How did Noah find the right bag? He remembered the other Noah, and found him in the parking lot. Great job if you remembered. Today, you learned 6 new words with Noah's story: prescription, pharmacist, over the counter, dosage, side effects, refill. Can you use them in your own sentence? Want to know how your own English speaking sounds? ActuallySpeak.com gives you a free speaking check. It listens to you, and shows you exactly what to practice next. Every story you finish is one more step toward speaking with confidence.